In this video, I will show you how to create a realistic laser cut effect on your Android device. This effect is made with Pixel and PS Touch. Let us begin by opening PS Touch. Create an image project. Select the woody texture. I will give a link to this texture in the description below. Let us add a logo. If you like to make a logo like this, then check this video out. The video link and the download link will be in the description below. Now let us cut out the logo from the woody texture. Save the image. Let us proceed with Pixel Lab. Delete the text. Change the image size to the size of the woody texture image. Import the image you saved from PS Touch. As you can see, the image quality is very low. To bring back the quality of the image, we have to make a copy of the image. Click on Emboss, and enabled it. Experiment with the values. Let us apply a little bit of 3D effect. Make the background transparent, and save the image. Let us return to PS Touch, and apply our final effect. Create an image project. Select the plain woody texture. Duplicate it, and change the blend mode to screen. Now it is time to import the image we saved from Pixel Lab. Let us add drop shadow. Change the color to a dark part of the background. Experiment with the values. There we have it, we are good as done. If you like this video, let me know by clicking on the thumbs up icon. If you love to see more of my videos, then click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon, to be notified when I upload a new video. If you have anything to say you can leave it down in the comment box below, and I will try my possible best to reply to every single one of it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.